To record voiceover audio with DaVinci Resolve version 18, first, make sure you have your videos imported. Then click on Fair Light. Next, on the right-hand side panel, right-click on Audio 1. Select Add Track and then select Stereo. You will now have a new track called Audio 2. You can double-click the new track, which is Audio 2, to give it a name. I'll name mine Voiceover. On the right-hand side panel, under A2, which is your new voiceover track, click on No Input and then select Input. Next, select your target microphone and click Patch. Click on X to close. Now, head over to the left side panel and click on the R button, which is called Arm for Record, under your voiceover track. You can hear your voice play back to you when you speak into your microphone. Check if everything is okay with your audio and mic, and make sure you can hear yourself clearly. Next, click on the Record button to begin recording your voiceover. When you are done, click on Stop Recording. Finally, click on the Edit menu and you should see your voiceover audio in your timeline. That's how you record voiceover audio using DaVinci Resolve version 18.